In 2024, the quest for the best thermal paste is more crucial than ever for PC enthusiasts and gamers. With advanced CPUs and GPUs pushing performance boundaries, selecting the right thermal compound ensures optimal heat dissipation, enhances longevity, and maintains peak efficiency, making your choice a pivotal part of any high-performance setup. We did the heavy lifting to bring you the cream of the crop in multiple categories. So let's dive into the best thermal paste the market has to offer right now. Kicking off our roundup is the Ashhttech MX6, a standout thermal compound that's a top pick for most folks in 2024. Diving into the details, this thermal paste brings a density to the table at 2.6 G/ml and boasts a viscosity of 45,000 poise. A neat feature of its packaging is the side-opening syringe, which cleverly shows how much paste you've got left. When it comes to application, spreading it evenly over the CPU proves to be the most effective method, a standard approach for thermal compound. Once you've got your water block in place, the springs ensure just the right amount of pressure. What sets the MX6 apart is its ability to enhance thermal efficiency by 20% more than its predecessor, the MX4. Its thicker consistency plays a crucial role here, minimizing the chances of electrical conduction and damage to components due to misapplication. Despite its similarities with MX4, the MX6 mirrors its high viscosity, making it distinct. This version steps up the game with a viscosity jump to 45,000 poise and a robust density of 2.6 G/cm3, offering even lower electrical resistance. Constructed with a base of silicone gel and infused with carbon particles, these affordable ingredients keep the MX6's prices competitive. Importantly, these materials are neither electrically conductive nor capacitive, averting any risk of short circuits or electrical discharges that could harm your devices. It's versatile too, suitable for use across a temperature range from -50 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, covering all bases whether for CPUs, GPU cores, or memory modules. The Ashhttech MX6 shines with superior thermal conductivity, nudging temperatures down further than its competitors for both processors and graphic cards. Definitely a product worth considering. Introducing the Noctua NT-H2, our choice for the top versatile thermal compound in 2024. A successor to the beloved Noctua NT-H1, this version has earned its stripes for exceptional quality. Whether you're into air or water cooling, using it for your CPU or GPU, or need something for overclocking or running a silent setup, the NT-H2 has you covered. Its innovative formula features a mix of metal oxide microparticles, ensuring lower thermal resistance and thinner interface layers, understanding mounting pressures. Plus, its smoother consistency makes it a breeze to work with. The Noctua NT-H2 isn't just easy to apply, it's also built to last. You could store it for up to 3 years, and once it's applied, it's good for a solid 5 years on your hardware. Its performance is noteworthy, often edging out its predecessor and holding its own against competitors. Packaged in a handy syringe, it comes with 3 cleaning wipes to help remove old paste cleanly. Its non-conductive, corrosion-resistant formula is designed for longevity and safety, promising at least 5 years of reliable service. Available in a 10-gram option, it's one of the most efficient heat conductors you'll find. The 3.5-gram package allows for 3 to 20 uses depending on the processor size, while the 10-gram version stretches from 9 to a whopping 60 applications. The NT-H2's blend of microparticles not only enhances heat transfer, but also minimizes composite layer thickness, boosting overall performance. Though the improvement of NT-H1 might seem modest at 1 to 3 degrees Celsius, every degree counts in maintaining optimal temperatures. Both the 3.5-gram and 10-gram options come with enough cleaning wipes for preparation and maintenance. This comprehensive package makes the Noctua NT-H2 an excellent investment for any setup, combining performance, ease of use, and value in one. Thumbs up! For those with a budget for top-shelf thermal compounds, we recommend the Corsair XTM70 as the premier choice in 2024. This product steps up from its predecessor, the TM30, by delivering enhanced thermal conductivity and greater longevity, making it ideal for high-performance CPUs, cutting-edge gaming consoles, and graphics card maintenance where the existing paste has degraded or is subpar. The package is thoughtfully designed, featuring a durable cardboard box for the syringe and additional storage for accessories, ensuring everything you need is organized and accessible. The Corsair XTM70 is presented in a compact syringe-like applicator, allowing for precise application and monitoring of the remaining compound. It's specifically formulated for high-demand scenarios, including the latest processors and game consoles, where optimal thermal management is crucial. While the manufacturer hasn't specified a lifespan, typical advice suggests a refresh every 3 to 4 years to maintain peak performance. Labeling the XTM70 as an extreme performance thermal paste isn't an overstatement. Users report noticeable temperature improvements compared to other options under similar conditions. Its thicker consistency doesn't detract from its superior blend quality, enhancing the heat sink's contact with the CPU. The inclusion of 3 cleaning wipes, 2 applicator films, and a spatula in the kit ensures a flawless application process, despite the potential for minor compound wastage. Packaging-wise, the Corsair XTM70 impresses with an eco-friendly, entirely cardboard design, making disposable or recycling straightforward. Though the temperature reduction it offers might seem modest at 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius, it consistently outperforms competitors, establishing a new benchmark for thermal paste efficacy. Additionally, feedback highlights its appropriateness for GPU applications, further attesting to its versatility and superior formulation. If this one fits your budget, we say go for it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. The Cooler Master MasterGel Pro V2 is up next as the second best thermal paste on the 2024 market. It's not just another option on the shelf. It's a carefully crafted solution for those serious about keeping their systems cool under pressure. Right off the bat, what sets the MasterGel Pro V2 apart is its exceptional thermal conductivity. This paste gets down to business, efficiently transferring heat away from your CPU or GPU, ensuring that your rig runs cooler even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workload period. Ease of application is another big win for the MasterGel Pro V2. The syringe design is user-friendly, allowing for precise and mess-free application. Cooler Master also includes a spatula, which is a nice touch, making spreading the paste evenly across the processor a breeze. This attention to detail speaks volumes about Cooler Master's commitment to user experience. Durability is a key factor when choosing a thermal paste, and the MasterGel Pro V2 doesn't disappoint. Once applied, you can rest easy knowing that it will maintain its thermal conductivity without drying out or degrading over time. This longevity means you won't need to reapply as frequently, saving you both time and money in the long run. In terms of performance, the MasterGel Pro V2 delivers noticeable improvements in temperature management. Whether you're overclocking or simply demanding high performance from your system, this thermal paste helps keep temperatures lower, enhancing the overall stability and lifespan of your components. All things considered, the Cooler Master MasterGel Pro V2 stands out as a premium choice for anyone looking to optimize their system's cooling efficiency. Its blend of high thermal conductivity, ease of use, and lasting performance makes it a must-have for builders and enthusiasts alike. Thumbs up! And now, meet the Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut Thermal Paste, the #1 option for PC cooling on the 2024 market. Designed for enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on performance, Kryonaut offers an impressive solution for keeping high-end CPUs and GPUs at optimal temperatures. This product lives up to the hype by delivering top-notch thermal conductivity that helps in efficiently dissipating heat. This means your system stays cooler, allowing for smoother operation under load without throttling. Applying Kryonaut is straightforward, thanks to its consistency that strikes the perfect balance between being neither too thick nor too runny. It spreads evenly with minimal effort, ensuring that the entire surface of your processor is covered for maximum heat transfer. The syringe packaging also contributes to this ease of application, providing just the right amount of control to apply the paste precisely where it's needed. Durability is another hallmark of Kryonaut. Once applied, it maintains its effectiveness over time, resisting drying out or cracking. This longevity is crucial for anyone looking to get the most out of their system without constant maintenance. Performance-wise, Kryonaut makes a noticeable difference. Users often report significant drops in temperature compared to other paste on the market, which translates to better performance and potentially longer hardware lifespan. Whether you're pushing your system to its limits through overclocking or simply running demanding applications, applications, Kryonaut keeps things cool. Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut is more than just a thermal paste. It's an investment in your system's health and performance. Its superior thermal management, ease of application, and durability make it a top choice for serious PC builders and gamers alike. You wanted the best, you got it.